This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for tomorrow, which will be September 22nd, 2025, and already tonight it's the 29th of Elul. Rosh Hashanah, as many of you know, the Jewish New Year is coming up, and I won't be making videos, but this calendar is meant to document and gematriatically calculate every single day, and so I'm doing it for tomorrow, and then tomorrow for the days of Rosh Hashanah, and so we're approaching the first 90 days of this calendar's presentations. This is based on what's called the tekufas. Tekufas are the seasons, and I'm going to pause for a second here. Okay, I think I was with the Tekufa, the seasons. So it started in Tekufas Tammuz in July, and so it went for 3 months, like a 90-day period. And now we're coming to Tishrei, to the next season. And so this calendar is based on a few different verses in the Bible. In Leviticus chapter 25, verse 20, regarding the sabbatical year. It also has to do with the redemption and the first redeemer of the people of Israel, Moses, when he was sent on, he was hid. It says in Exodus 2 that he was, the verse is, Vatis B'nehu Shlosha Yerachim, he was hid for 3 months. So those 3 months were the inspiration, in part, for this 3-month time span. Now what you're looking at here is actually 80 days. It's 8 columns and 10 rows. So you're seeing 80 boxes, but and the purple and the lavender it's like 40 and 40. It's like 10 times 4, 40 and 40. And so 40 is a huge number in this calendar for many reasons, but 40 is in a way it's connected to the portion that we're in, because it says that Vayelech Moshe went, and he said, I am 120 years old today. I can neither come or go anymore. And so generally when looking at his life, it's broken up to 3 parts. The first 40 years, and then it's understood that at age 40 he escaped after he killed the Egyptian for beating the Hebrew, the slave, and then at age 40, then at age 80 he came back, and that's when the Exodus story happened. And so 80 are these boxes that represent the age of Moses, but another 40 years represents the 40 years of the Israelites in the wilderness. And after that, that makes that where you get your 120. So he says, I'm 120 years old today, and so the 90 is really this plus a 10-day, what I call a 10-day twilight period, and it's invisible. It's not technically listed on this, but it's very much practically part of this calendar, and so that's your 90 days. So anyway, today for Monday, September 22nd, 2025, the box is box 2, and the coordinates are D7. So 2, 42, 82, 122. That's how it goes. 162, 202, 242, 282. That's how it's calculated. It goes up by 40s. It's called the Rule of 40. And then as far as Elul 29, the final day of Elul, it's going to take 2 boxes, because the way this calendar is made is that there is no 30-day of Elul. But if there was an Elul 30, then it would be actually in box number 30. But tomorrow it's going to be 21 and 30. It's going to be a rectangle. It's going to be 21, box 21 and box 30 will cover it. And the coordinates for 21 is C8, and then 30 is D8. And it's interesting that the 29th day of Elul, and tonight is the 21st night of September, like the song, do you remember? The 21st night of September? Anyway, the box is 21, and it happens to be the 21st night of September. So those are the coordinates. 21, 61, 101, 141, 181. I can't think of any numbers, so that will be the PL-89 calendar for September 21st, 22nd, and the 29th day of Elul, the final day of 5785.